Have you ever wondered if you can achieve a brighter, whiter smile naturally and without spending a fortune on treatments? In today's video, we're going to explore 10 natural ways you can whiten your teeth right at home. These methods are simple, safe, and use ingredients you might already have in your kitchen. From the power of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide to the surprising benefits of strawberries and banana peels, we'll cover effective tips and tricks to help you achieve that dazzling smile. And yes, we'll even talk about the ancient practice of oil pulling and how it can contribute to your dental health. Curious about the black powder everyone is talking about? Stay tuned to learn how activated charcoal can play a role in whitening your teeth. Ready to uncover the secrets to a naturally brighter smile? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the classic combination of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a mild abrasive that helps scrub away surface stains on your teeth. This natural compound is commonly used in baking and cleaning, but it can also be a powerful ally in dental care. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural bleaching agent that can penetrate the enamel and remove deeper stains. It's also a common ingredient in many commercial whitening products. To use, mix a small amount of baking soda with a few drops of hydrogen peroxide to form a paste. Brush your teeth with this paste for about 2 minutes, a few times a week. But remember, moderation is key. Overuse can wear down your enamel. Always follow up with a thorough rinse to remove any residue. Next, we have oil pulling with coconut oil. This ancient Ayurvedic practice involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 15 to 20 minutes. The oil helps to reduce bacteria and plaque in your mouth, which can contribute to a brighter smile. After swishing, spit out the oil into a trash can, not the sink, as it can solidify and cause blockages. Rinse your mouth with water and brush your teeth as usual. Regular oil pulling can also promote overall oral health, reducing bad breath and gum issues. Another natural remedy is apple cider vinegar, known for its antibacterial properties. Dilute apple cider vinegar with water and use it as a mouthwash. It can help remove stains and kill bacteria, contributing to whiter teeth. However, due to its high acidity, it's important to use this method sparingly to avoid damaging your enamel. Always rinse your mouth thoroughly with water afterward to neutralize the acid. What's more, strawberries aren't just delicious, they can also help whiten your teeth. The malic acid in strawberries acts as a natural astringent, helping to remove surface stains. Malic acid is often found in many commercial whitening products for its gentle but effective properties. Mash up a ripe strawberry and mix it with baking soda to create a paste. Apply this paste to your teeth and leave it on for a few minutes before brushing it off. This method is gentle and tasty, but use it in moderation to avoid any potential enamel damage. The natural sweetness of strawberries makes this method a pleasant one, but make sure to rinse your mouth well to remove any sugar residue. Did you know activated charcoal is a trending natural whitening method? This fine, black powder has highly absorbent properties that can help lift stains from your teeth. To use, wet your toothbrush, dip it into the activated charcoal powder, and gently brush your teeth. Rinse thoroughly to remove all the charcoal residue. This method is effective for removing external stains caused by foods and drinks like coffee, tea, and wine. Citrus fruits like lemons and oranges can also help with teeth whitening. Rub the inside of a lemon or orange peel directly on your teeth. The citric acid can help break down surface stains and whiten your teeth. However, like apple cider vinegar, citrus acids can erode enamel if used too frequently. Rinse your mouth with water afterward to protect your teeth. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Surprisingly, banana peels can also be used for teeth whitening. Rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for a couple of minutes. The potassium, magnesium, and manganese in the peel are believed to help remove stains and whiten your teeth. This method is gentle and safe, making it suitable for regular use. Bananas are not acidic like lemons or vinegar, so this method can be used more frequently without worrying about enamel erosion. Plus, it's an eco-friendly way to use every part of the fruit. Additionally, turmeric powder, known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, can also be used for whitening teeth. Brush your teeth with turmeric powder, and you'll be surprised by the results. Although turmeric can stain clothes and surfaces, it can actually help whiten your teeth. Be sure to rinse thoroughly after brushing to remove all the yellow residue. Some people also mix turmeric with coconut oil to make a natural toothpaste. The bright yellow color might seem counterintuitive, but turmeric's natural abrasiveness and healing properties make it a great option for dental care. But wait, there is more. Eating crunchy fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, and celery can also help keep your teeth white. These foods act as natural abrasives, helping to scrub away plaque and surface stains while you chew. Plus, they stimulate saliva production, which naturally cleanses your mouth and protects against decay. Apples, in particular, contain malic acid, which further helps in cleaning and whitening teeth. Snacking on these healthy foods not only benefits your overall health, but also contributes to maintaining a bright smile. Finally, maintaining good oral hygiene is essential for keeping your teeth white and healthy. Brush your teeth at least twice a day with a fluoride toothpaste, and don't forget to floss daily to remove plaque and food particles between your teeth. Regular brushing and flossing can help prevent stains and maintain the natural whiteness of your teeth. Additionally, visiting your dentist for regular cleanings and checkups ensures that any potential issues are caught early. Consistent oral hygiene is the foundation of a healthy, bright smile. So there you have it, folks. 10 natural, easy, and effective ways to whiten your teeth right at home. From baking soda and hydrogen peroxide to the surprising benefits of banana peels, these methods can help you achieve a brighter smile without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Remember, consistency is key. While these natural methods can be very effective, they often require regular use and patience to see the best results. And always make sure to maintain good oral hygiene practices to keep your smile healthy and bright. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on natural health and beauty. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Do you have any natural teeth whitening tips or experiences you'd like to share? Drop a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and here's to a brighter, whiter smile the natural way. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.